Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a cool and sturdy toolbox from a simple material. Used PVC pipe. This box can be used to store tools like screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, nails, and various other workshop supplies. With a little creativity, we can turn unused PVC pipe into something useful and attractive. Let's get started with the materials needed. To make this toolbox, the materials are very easy to find, such as 4-inch PVC pipe, 2 small hinges, 2 small locking hooks, several small screws, a handle. You can buy one ready-made or make your own from small pipe pieces, PVC glue or pipe glue, a pipe saw or PVC cutter, an electric drill, a screwdriver, a measuring tape, a marker, and sandpaper for smoothing. The first step, outline using a pencil the part that needs to be split. Outline using a roller or a tool that is easy to shape, such as cardboard. Next, we'll split each piece of pipe in half. Mark a straight line along the pipe using a marker and a ruler as a guide. Then, slowly cut along the line until the pipe opens into a semicircle. These two pieces of pipe will form the top and bottom of the toolbox. Make sure they're symmetrical so that when closed, the two halves fit together and align. I've noticed that viewers of this channel come from all over the world lately, and I'm really curious. Where are you actually watching from? Here, tell me in the comments. Which country are you from? Who knows, maybe in the next video, I'll be able to read out the names of the countries that have commented here. So don't forget to leave a comment. It'll help us get to know each other better, and I'll see how far our work has reached. I originally just made a video to share recycling ideas, but it turned out to be incredibly popular, with even people from overseas watching. Several times I've seen comments from India, Malaysia, the Philippines, even America and Europe. Wow, it's truly amazing to see this simple idea being embraced so widely. Oh yeah, I also want to know, of all the projects I've made, which one do you like best? For example, making a basket from a jerry can, a stove from a can, or a toolbox from PVC pipe like this one. Your comments really help me figure out which projects are most interesting and worth trying again in the future. Sometimes your ideas actually inspire me for future videos, so don't hesitate to give me suggestions. And to my friends from abroad, I also want to say thank you. It turns out so many people are still watching, perhaps because the ideas are visually understandable. Creativity knows no language. What matters is the passion for sharing and creating something useful. So thank you for supporting this channel, wherever you're watching from. You're all an important part of this channel's journey. Okay, now let's continue working on the project. Stay tuned because you'll see the final result soon. Who knows, you might even try it at home. Now let's attach the small hinges to the back. Place the two pieces of pipe so they look like a closed box, then align the back sides. Use a marker to mark the left and right hinge positions. Next, drill small holes for the screws at the marked positions. Attach the hinges with a screwdriver using small screws. Be careful not to tilt the hinges.
Vậy đúng không? Cái này riêng dượt.
Once both hinges are installed, try opening and closing the box to ensure it moves smoothly. If it feels sluggish, loosen the screws slightly or sand the area. The main body of the box is now starting to take shape. It should open and close smoothly. Next, we'll install a locking latch on the front to prevent the box from opening easily. Mark the position of the latch in the center of the front, then drill a small hole for the screw. Install the latch with a screwdriver, making sure it aligns with the top and bottom of the box. Next, we'll attach a handle to the top of the box. This handle can be made from a small bent piece of PVC pipe, or you can use a metal handle, commonly found at hardware stores. Drill 2 holes in the top of the pipe, then attach the handle using screws. Make sure the handle feels sturdy and comfortable to hold. Now the toolbox can be lifted and carried anywhere. Now it's time to test the results. This PVC pipe toolbox is strong, lightweight, and waterproof. You can fill it with various tools like screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, nails, and bolts. Everything is stored neatly and safely inside. Because it's made of PVC, this box is rust-resistant and suitable for outdoor use. You can also take it with you in your car, to the workshop, or even while camping. Besides being useful, this project also reduces plastic waste by recycling used pipes into functional products. This is a simple example of how creativity can transform waste into something valuable. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more interesting DIY ideas. See you in the next video.
Chưa vừa được.